Students, here in this video, I am going to solve two questions, that is question number 19 and 20 from exercise 5.2 for class 10. The question number 19 and 20 are the same, so try to understand it. The question is as follows: Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and receive an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? So Subbarao is a person, he started work from 1995, and the basic salary, that means the annual salary, that is 5,000, and each year, that means after 1 year he got rupees 200 additional. Suppose I will give you an example. Suppose in 1995 he is got 5,000 rupees. So in 1996, after 1 year, his increment got one increment, that is rupees 200 addition. So 5,000 plus 200, that means his income will be 5,200. In 1997 he got another increment. Look at here. So his income will be 5,200 plus 200, that means 5,400. Now see, this is in 1995, this is in 1996, and this is 1997. Each year his income increases by 200. So the common difference is same. It means his incomes can be written as a AP series, and you have to find the nth term at which year he got 7,000. So we will do like this. His income is like this. Just a minute. Okay. Here the first term is 5,000 and the common difference is 200. So let in which year it will be 7,000. Let the nth year his salary be 7,000. It means AN is equal to 7,000. We will put the formula AN is equal to plus and minus 1 into D. AN is equal to 7,000. A is equal to 5,000 and minus 1, which I have to find the value, and D is equal to 200. So just see here. Now transpose 5,000. When it will be transpose, it will minus and got, and after 7,000 minus 5,000 it will 2,000, and n minus 1 into 200 will be 2,000. Look at here, just change the place. Now in this way you got n minus 1 is equal to 10. Look at here how. Again transpose 200 from left to right, it will be divided. So 2,000 divided by 200, then it will be 10. So n minus 1 will be 10. Transpose minus 1 from left to right, it will be plus 1. So n is equal to 11. That means after 11th year his salary will be 7,000. You can also find by calculating 19,596 at in this way, and you will got that after 2005 his income will be 7,000. But here ask only after how many years, so it will be in 11th year his income will be 7,000. This is the answer. Now we will take the question number 20. It is same like 19. Look at here. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly saving by rupees 1.75 if the nth week her, it is not written, her weekly saving became rupees 20.75. Find n. It means per week Ramkali save rupees 5, and after one, that means after 1 week it will increase by 1.75 every week. So the common difference will be 1.75. So it will be in AP series. So we can write A as a 5. In the previous question it was 5,000, question number 19. So here 5, and D, that is the common difference, it increases every week. So it will work as a D, and it will be 1.75. Now at which and the value of n, that means an, that is 20.75. It is also given here. Now see, so we got a, d and an. Now we have to find the value of n using the formula an, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to 20.75, a that is 5, n minus 1 we have to find, and d is equal to 1.75. So n minus transpose here, transpose 5 from right to left, it will be minus and got 15.75, and in the right side n minus 1 into 1.75. So n minus 1 will be 15.75 by 1.75. Remove decimal, then got 15 1575 by 175. Up, if you divide both these by 25, then you got 63 by 7. If you again divided it, then you will got 9. So n minus 1 is equal to 9. Transpose 1 from left to right, it will be plus, so n is equal to 10. It means after 10, hence the value of n will be 10. After it says the value of n, sorry, it says the value of n, so n is equal to 10. This is the answer. Thank you.